Well,
We do have a marital property agreement.
and that covers all the marital, I have the marital settlement. Does that cover all issues in the marriage?
Yes, they are in agreement on everything. There's no maintenance or anything like that, so.
And so I forget, you represent Ms. Sybrand.
Correct.
Or Ms. McCarty. And Ms. McCarty, I can do it on the record. The statute does state that I can do it on the record. I'm going to need to ask you those financial questions on the record. Otherwise, I would need to have that financial disclosure statement and not state it on the record.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to get this divorce done today?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right, let's proceed. We will go on the record in the matter 25 FA 26 in re the marriage of Kara Sybrand and Pamela McCarty. Appearances are, we have Ms. Sybrand appearing in person with her counsel, Adam Benson. We have Ms. McCarty appearing in person without counsel. We're set here today in this matter for a stipulated divorce. The parties have reached an agreement on all issues as it relates to this marriage. The marital settlement agreement has been filed with the court. A financial disclosure statement has been filed by Ms. Sybrand. In this case, Ms. McCarty has not filed a financial disclosure statement. Pursuant to statute, the court will update and state on the record the financial situation so that the court can make an intelligent decision and having a full understanding of the marital assets and debts. Mr. Benson, first I'm going to have both of you stand up. Please raise your right hand. Just do it. Yeah. Please stand up, raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
You may be seated. Mr. Benson, you may begin questioning.
I would call Ms. Sybrand, Your Honor.
I am okay if she sits next to you.
Yeah, that's fine.
If you want her up there, that's fine. All right. Are you okay answering questions right next to your attorney?
Yes.
Okay, you may proceed.
Thank you. Would you please state your full name and spell your last name for the record?
Kara Lyd Sybrand. Sybrand is Sybrant.
And where do you currently reside, Ms. Sybrand?
14367 Park Road, number 22, Grantsburg, Wisconsin, 54840.
And you are married to Pamela J. McCarty?
Correct.
And does she reside at the same address or elsewhere?
Elsewhere.
Okay. You and Ms. McCarty were married in Pine County, Minnesota on January 21st, 2022.
Correct.
Both of you were bona fide residents of Burnett County for more than 30 days prior to the commencement of this action. Is that correct?
Correct.
And you were both residents of the state of Wisconsin for 6 months prior to the commencement of this action.
Correct.
There were no children born to this marriage.
Correct.
Neither of you is pregnant.
Correct.
Do you believe this marriage is irretrievably broken?
Correct.
That is, there's no chance for reconciliation between the parties.
Correct.
Is there any other action for divorce, annulment, or legal separation by either of you pending in any other court or jurisdiction?
Correct.
This is a second marriage for both of you?
Is that a no, not correct? It's a no.
What was the question
Is
again?
there any other proceeding in any other county or any other action?
No.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have entered into a marital property agreement.
Yes.
Are you currently a member of the United States Armed Forces or Reserves?
No.
How is your health at this point in time?
Good.
You recently, as recent as this morning, you filed a financial disclosure statement in this matter?
Yes.
And that's a true and accurate representation of your income at this point in time?
Yes.
There's nothing that needs to be changed on the record today, or nothing significant that has changed that needs to be reported to the court?
Correct.
Okay. As it concerns the marital settlement agreement, both of you are waiving maintenance.
Correct.
And you understand that this is a short-term marriage and that it is likely maintenance would not be awarded.
Correct.
And you understand that by waiving maintenance here today, that waiver is permanent.
Yes.
So if Ms. McCarty, if the divorce is granted today and she were to buy a lottery ticket tomorrow and win, you would not be entitled to any of those funds.
Yes.
Okay. And you are fully informed and want to waive maintenance here today.
Yes, I do.
Do you have all of the personal property that is listed on the marital settlement agreement?
Yes.
Okay. So you've both made a full exchange of personal property.
Yes,
And have you paid her the $2,000 for the 2011 Camry yet, or need that 30 days?
I need the 30 days.
Okay. You are taking the debt for the Legend LGMV
Yes,
and an $1,100 medical bill.
yes,
And it's your understanding that Ms. McCarty has no debt.
correct.
You understand that should any debt be discovered after today, and it's hers, that you would be held harmless from making payment on that debt.
Yes,
And she is held harmless from making payments on the debts you have listed.
yes,
Let's see here. You currently have the name you were born with, is that correct?
no, I
Oh.
do not.
But you want to keep the name Cybrant, is that correct?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So there's no other name that you would want to take. What is your birth last name?
Griner,
GR.
EINER.
I ask that because I have to put it on a document to submit to the court. So you're asking the court to adopt your financial disclosure statement and the marital property agreement.
Yes,
And you wish the court to grant you a judgment of divorce today.
correct.
And you understand that if the divorce is granted today, you may not remarry anywhere in the world for a period of 6 months.
Yes,
If you were to do so, the state of Wisconsin would consider that marriage void.
yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Mr. Benson, if you would like to ask all questions to Ms. McCarty, you may do so, including the financial, or I can do it.
Okay, I will do my best, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Benson.
Ms. McCarty, please state your full name and spell your last name for the record.
Pamela Jeanette McCarty, last MCCARTY,
And where do you currently reside, Ms. McCarty?
1320 US Highway 8, Amory, Wisconsin, 54001.
And you were married January 21st, 2022?
Correct.
Prior to the commencement of this action, you were a resident of Burnett County for more than 30 days
Yes.
and a resident of the state of Wisconsin for more than 6 months.
Yes.
There were no children born to this marriage.
Correct.
You are not pregnant at this time,
No.
and you don't believe Ms. Cybrant is pregnant.
No.
Do you believe this marriage to be irretrievably broken?
Yes.
There's no room for reconciliation between the parties?
No.
There's no other action for divorce, annulment, or legal separation in any other court or jurisdiction?
No.
Are you currently a member of the United States Armed Forces or Reserves?
No.
You have entered into a marital property agreement.
Correct.
Before I do that, what do you currently do for a living?
I am a manager in training at a convenience store,
And where do you work?
Boston Lake, Wisconsin,
And where do you work at?
Lucky 7 General Store,
And what is your rate of pay at this time?
$17 an hour,
Okay, and how many hours a week do you work?
48.
48 hours a week?
Yeah.
Do you get overtime as
I
well?
do.
You do, okay. And what is your, do you rent or own right now?
I rent.
Okay, and based upon, are you able to pay all of your bills at this time?
I am.
And is it accurate? Do you not have any debts?
No.
No credit card debt?
Very little. I do have a credit card, but
And how much do you owe on that card?
I'm like $300.
Okay, and you're holding Ms. Cybrant harmless from that.
Correct.
Do you have a car payment?
No,
Do you have any kind of 401k or retirement account?
I do.
Okay, and did that just start with this job?
I have 2 of them. One was from the previous company.
Okay, and you just rolled it over?
Yeah.
And do you happen to know the approximate value?
One is like 2,200 and the other one is like 3,000.
Okay, and you are keeping those?
Correct.
And that's an agreement between you and Ms. Cybrant?
Yes.
And you are waiving maintenance here today?
Yes.
And as I explained when I was questioning Ms. Cybrant, you understand that the waiver of maintenance, if made today, is permanent,
Yes.
should the court approve it. And you understand that, again, if Ms. Cybrant were to come into money after the judgment of divorce through lottery or something, you would not be entitled to that money.
Correct.
Have you received all of the personal property that you want to receive from this matter?
Yes.
With the exception of the $2,000, is that correct?
Correct.
And you understand that Ms. Cybrant has 30 days to make that payment.
Correct.
Do you have any legal surname you would like to retake in the wake of this divorce?
Just McCarty.
Okay, and is that your birth name?
That is a former married name.
Okay, what is your birth name?
Grusing, Grussing.
Thank you. And the reason I ask that is I do have to submit a form to the court that contains both of your birth names. You are asking the court to adopt the marital property agreement
Yes,
and your proof of income.
yes,
And you want the court to grant you a judgment of divorce today.
correct.
And you understand that if the court does grant the divorce today, you cannot get married anywhere else in the world for a period of 6 months.
Yes,
Were you to do so, that marriage would be considered void by the state of Wisconsin.
yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Based upon, I've heard the testimony, I've heard your questions, and I've listened carefully. Based upon that testimony, I am going to first receive the marital settlement agreement and the financial disclosure statement from you, Ms. Sybrant. As to the financial information, enough was provided on the record for the court to make a determination and find that this is a fair and equitable division of the marital property. More so, this has been a short-term marriage, so there's not much here for the court to need to determine. Maintenance would not be something that the court most likely would order anyway because of the short-term marriage. The jurisdictional residential requirements have been met. The waiting period has now lapsed. The court will find that the marriage between Ms. Sybrant and Ms. McCarty is irretrievably broken, no chance of reconciliation. I will find that the waiver of maintenance done by both of you has been done freely, intelligently, and voluntarily, with a full understanding of what maintenance is, that nature and purpose, and the fact that it is final as of today, and you may not come back anytime later to request maintenance. The court will adopt that marital settlement agreement and those provisions contained therein and discussed on the record, and find that for this short-term marriage that it is equitable and it is an equal as practically possible a 50-50 division of any marital assets and or debts. The court will order that neither of you may remarry anyone in any jurisdiction for a period of 6 months in the world. If you do, it is a void marriage and it is not legally valid. As of 10/12 today, you are now hereby divorced. All right, anything further?
Your Honor, I'll submit the proposed order and other document by tomorrow morning.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Benson. Mr. Benson, before we move on to the Watts, because I know you are on one of them, I have two other cases